Welcome to TallyHelp videos. In this video, you will learn how to manage user rights for TallyDrive services. As an admin, you may want to give certain rights to some users but also would like to restrict them from some activities. For example, you may want to give backup rights to some users but restrict them from deleting or restoring backups. In all such cases, you can easily manage these permissions from the Tally Solutions customer portal. Let's see how to manage user rights for TallyDrive. Press Alt-Y. Backup and restore. Manage TallyDrive. Press F7, Manage user rights. You will be redirected to the user management page in your browser. You can also open this page directly by logging into the Tally Solutions customer portal. And then going to the Control Center, User Management, Manage User. Click the tally.net ID of the user for whom you want to set up the access permissions. Under Permissions for, select the branch. Ensure that TallyDrive services are enabled for that branch. Now, let's see the permissions you can set for TallyDrive services. Certain rights are enabled by default depending on the user type. Take Company Backup to TallyDrive. This option is enabled by default and it allows the user to back up data on TallyDrive. Delete accessible company backups from TallyDrive. Enable this to allow the user to delete backups from TallyDrive. Download or restore company backups. This option is enabled by default and it allows the user to view, download, and restore backups. Disable it if you want to restrict the user from restoring and downloading backups from TallyDrive. When enabling download and restore rights, you can define for which licenses and backups the user can restore from. Under Select License for Restore or Download, you will see three options. Tally Client configured with the current license branch. It allows the user to restore backups only from Tally Prime that uses the same license or branch for which user access has been approved. Tally Client configured with any license. Enable this if you want the user to restore backups from any Tally Prime license. Tally Client in educational mode. Enable this if you want the user to restore backups even in educational mode without an active license. Next, under Select User Scope for Restore Download, you can define which backups the user is allowed to access. Created by current user, it allows the user to restore only the backups they had created. This right is enabled by default and cannot be edited. All backups under the license. Enable this option to allow the user to restore backups created by any users under the license. These options give you precise control over how each user interacts with TallyDrive backups, helping you manage access securely and efficiently. Set the rights as needed and save the changes. And that's it. This is how you can manage user rights to TallyDrive services anytime you want. Thank you.